What if I told you there's a type of life insurance that not only protects your loved ones, but also acts as a powerful financial tool for wealth building and tax-efficient savings? That's the power of a universal life policy. I'm Gregory Razdeba, the CEO at Dundas Life, a digital life insurance broker in Canada. Today we'll discuss universal life insurance and show you how it could change your financial strategy. Most people think life insurance is just about leaving a death benefit. And while that's essential, universal life insurance goes much further. It's about taking control of your financial future, building wealth, and having options when you need them most. Unlike term life insurance, which only covers you for a set period, universal life insurance includes lifelong protection. But here's where it gets really interesting. It also acts as a savings account that grows tax deferred. That means your money grows faster, shielded from immediate taxation. Let's break it down. With universal life insurance, a portion of your premium payments goes towards the death benefit, providing a safety net for your loved ones if the unexpected happens. But here's the key difference. Another portion goes into a cash value account that you can actually use during your lifetime. This cash value component is what sets universal life insurance apart from traditional life insurance policies. It's like having a built-in savings account that grows over time. The growth is tax deferred, which means you don't pay taxes on earnings until you withdraw them. This can lead to significant tax savings over the long term. Moreover, the cash value in a universal life insurance policy isn't just sitting there idle. It's working for you, potentially earning interest or returns based on the investment options you choose. This brings us to another unique feature of universal life insurance: investment flexibility. You can adjust your premium payments based on your financial situation. Receive a great bonus one year, contribute more, and watch your cash value grow faster. Facing a temporary financial setback, you can often adjust your premiums to keep your policy active without draining your budget. Now, one of the most powerful features of a universal life policy is the ability to access the cash value. You can take out loans against your policy for any reason, to fund a business, pay for an education, and even supplement your retirement income. And the best part, these loans are typically tax-free. Speaking of taxes, let's talk about why universal life is sometimes called the rich man's TFSA. The growth in your cash value is tax deferred, and if managed correctly, you can access it tax-free. Plus, the death benefit is generally paid out tax-free to your beneficiaries. This makes universal life insurance an incredibly powerful tool for estate planning and wealth transfer. You can also borrow against the cash value for major life events like buying a home, funding your child's education, or even starting a business. It's like having a financial partner right there with you, ready to support your dreams. It's important to note that when you borrow against your policy, you're not withdrawing money from your cash value. Instead, you're taking a loan with the cash value as collateral. This means your cash value continues to grow even while you have an outstanding loan. However, any unpaid loan amount will be deducted from the death benefit if you pass away before repaying it. Another key advantage of universal life insurance is the ability to adjust your death benefit. As your life circumstances change, perhaps you have more children or your financial obligations increase, you can often increase your death benefit without having to purchase a new policy or go through additional medical underwriting. Now, you might be wondering, why choose universal life over whole life or term life? It's a good question. Term insurance is like renting. It's cheaper in the short term, but leaves you with nothing at the end in a sense. Whole life is like buying a house with a fixed mortgage, stable but inflexible, and often expensive. Universal life, it's like buying a house with a flexible mortgage and the ability to renovate and expand as your needs change. It offers the permanence of whole life with the flexibility to adapt to your financial journey. Let's share an example of how you can apply universal life coverage into your financial strategy. I have a client, let's call him Mike. Mike is 35 years old and an entrepreneur who wanted life insurance coverage but also needed a tax-efficient way to save for retirement. We set up a universal life policy with a $1 million death benefit and a yearly renewable term cost structure to keep initial costs low. Mike contributes extra to his cash value whenever his business has a good year. By age 50, not only does he have a solid life insurance coverage, but he's also built up significant cash value. He's used this to help fund his children's education and even took out a loan to expand his business, all while enjoying tax-deferred growth. Now in his 60s, Mike is using the cash value to supplement his retirement income, taking tax-free withdrawals up to his basis. The flexibility of universal life insurance has allowed Mike to adopt his policy to his changing needs throughout his life. It's worth noting that Mike's experience isn't unique. Many of our clients at Dundas Life have found similar success with universal life policies. Whether it's a business owner looking for a tax-efficient way to save, a parent wanting to secure their children's future, or someone planning for retirement, universal life insurance offers a versatile solution that can be tailored to meet your various financial goals. One of the key advantages Mike experienced was the ability to access his cash without triggering a taxable event. This is a significant benefit, especially when compared to other investment vehicles, where withdrawals might be subject to income tax or penalties. Universal life insurance can also be a powerful tool for estate planning. High net worth individuals often use universal life to manage estate taxes and ensure a smooth transfer of wealth to their heirs. By setting up an irrevocable life insurance trust, you can remove the life insurance proceeds from your taxable estate, providing liquidity to pay estate taxes without having to sell off other assets. For example, if you have a large estate that might be subject to estate taxes, a universal life insurance policy can provide the funds needed to pay those taxes, ensuring that your heirs receive the full value of your estate. The flexibility of premium payments and the potential for cash value growth make universal life an attractive option for this reason. I want to be clear though, universal life insurance isn't without its challenges. It requires careful management and understanding. Here are some of the potential pitfalls to be familiar with. One is market risk. If you choose market-based investment options, your cash value can fluctuate with market performance. 2. Increase in costs. If you opt for a yearly renewable term cost structure, your insurance costs will increase over time. This needs to be managed to ensure your policy remains sustainable. 3. Policy lapse. If you're not careful with withdrawals or loans, or if your investments underperform, your policy could lapse, leaving you without coverage. 4 is complexity. UL policies can be complex and require ongoing management. It's crucial to work with a knowledgeable advisor who can guide you. So, is universal life insurance right for you? Here are some key considerations. 1. Do you need permanent life insurance coverage? 2. Are you looking for flexibility in your premiums and death benefit? 3. Do you want the potential of tax-advantaged savings growth? 4. Are you comfortable managing investments or working closely with an advisor? And 5. Do you have long-term financial goals that UL could help you achieve? If you answered yes to most of these, universal life could be a great fit for your strategy. Remember that universal life insurance is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Your individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance all play a role in determining whether universal life is the right option for you. That's why at Dundas Life, we take a personalized approach to each client's need. The financial landscape is always changing, and what works today might need adjustment tomorrow. That's why we offer regular policy reviews and updates to ensure your life insurance policy continues to align with your evolving financial needs and goals. Don't wait to secure your financial future and unlock your family's financial freedom. Take the first step today. For a limited time, we're offering a complimentary financial needs analysis to help you get started. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation with a Dundas Life advisor. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into life insurance and financial planning. Until next time, we'll see you soon.